Welcome to another episode of Cooking on a Budget, and today we're making the perfect budget pizza pie, a popular choice among South Africans at this time of the year. The perfect budget pizza is all about achieving the right balance. Investing the right ingredients is critical to this process. To get started, you'll need regular organic tax base, some fiery political will, a large dollop of stable macro environment, a good helping of leadership, finely diced long-term strategy, 500 ml of social awareness, 750 grams of foreign direct investment, and a large helping of policy certainty. First, we line our pan with our tax base, making sure it's sufficient to spread to all the edges to cover everyone's expectations. I get mine locally from SARS, but check your local receiver for availability. Next year, the VAT harvest is expected to be better, so you'll be able to use a larger base. Now let's get out some infrastructure. I always invest in the best. That way, it lasts us a lifetime. Dice social grants, health services, and education. Of course, can't forget the state-owned enterprises. Toss it all in. Throw in a splash, more than a splash of red wine, a teaspoon of sugar, and let it reduce. Whew. It's sinful, darling. Bring on the excise duties. Now let's go ahead and preheat our parliament to 400 MPs. Sprinkle some drought relief to moisten things up and help avoid a crisis. No one likes a dry crust. Build up your institutions. Spread your expenses out evenly. There are a lot of ingredients, so please be mindful of wasteful expenditure, especially when dealing with a budget deficit. Top off with FDI. Experts urge you to get in as much as you can find. Never forget public safety. And pop into Parliament for around 120 minutes. This smells absolutely divine. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. The perfect South African budget pizza pie, ready to cut up and share with an eager country. We hope you enjoyed this year's episode. Don't forget to like and file your returns. Thank you for watching Cooking on a Budget. Goodbye.